Good morning everyone. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Before going to start our topic, I would like to tell you some COVID-19 appropriate behavior which you have to follow in every day. You have to wear mask properly, wash your hands at least 20 seconds frequently with soap and water. Maintain 6 feet distance from others. Do not touch your face, your eyes, and nose. Do not spit anywhere. Do not share your food and water bottle to each other. Okay? Well, children, as we know that we have completed our chapter number 8, that was measurement, and now today we'll start our new topic, new chapter, that is money. This is chapter number 9. Just open your maths book. This is page number 149 and we are doing chapter number 9. Fine. So in this chapter we'll learn express money in words and figure. It means that how we write money in figure, like 27.5454 and in words like in the spelling forms. Fine. And next is convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. And another one is addition, subtraction and multiplication, amounts in rupees and paise. So can you see the pictures given here? We are very familiar with the money. You all know about money because sometimes you ask your parents that give me 1 rupees or 10 rupees or 5 rupees. You want to purchase something for yourself, right? आप लोग शॉप में जाना चाहते हो, कभी टॉफ़ी कभी चॉकलेट्स लेने के लिए, तो आप लोग 5 रुपीज़ 10 रुपीज़ और 20 रुपीज़ के नोट मांगते हो अपने पेरेंट्स से, राइट? सो यू रिकॉग्नाइज इट easily. I have some rupees here, like I'm showing you here. You can see this is 1 rupee note, this is 2 rupees note, and this is 5 rupees note, and here you can see 10 rupees note, 20, 50 and 100, and this is 200. Now the next one is 500. Fine. So I'm keeping these notes sequence wise. Okay, sequence wise I have formed these rupees. Now this is tell me rupee 1, 2 rupees note, 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 500. This is 500 note and this is 200 note. Fine. So might be you have seen all these notes, but what about the rupee 1, 2, 1 and 2? Yes, now this is your activity also, and these are the coins: 10 rupees coin, 5 rupee, 1 rupee and 2 rupee coin. Now your activity is you have to make a collage of these rupees. Just take out the 200 and 500. Fine. आपको 200 and 500. This is 500 note. Just look at here. The number 500. It is written as in figure. Fine. ये आपका फिगर में लिखा है. जैसे आपका रेस जो रुपीस का सिंबल यहाँ पर सारे बच्चों को दिख रहा है. This is the symbol of rupees and the Indian currency is known as also rupees. Understood everyone? So this one you can see, जो यहाँ पर र दिख रहा है ना हिंदी का, इसको कट किया बीच से. This is the symbol of rupees. This is our Indian currency also. This is how many numbers are written here? 500. It means it is rupees 500. It is written in figure. And here written 500 रुपये हिंदी फॉर्म. ओके, ये आपको वर्ड्स फॉर्म में तो लिखा है बट हिंदी में लिखा है. ओके, नाउ हियर यू कैन सी इन वर्ड्स फॉर्म 500 rupees. FIVE 5 HUNDRED 100 rupees RUPEES. Fine. Like all the notes have written in figure form. Rest 200 and here 200 rupees. So take out these notes. ये नोट आपको नहीं लगाने हैं अपने कोलाज में. 500 and 200 का नोट आपने पेस्ट नहीं करना है. You have to paste these note, these currency in your maths notebook. Just take out the coins also. This is the coin of 10, 5, 2 and 1. Okay. So you have to make a collage in your maths notebook. अपनी maths की notebook में आपको collage बनाना है. You have to paste these notes in your maths notebook and then just count the rupees all together. आपको count करना है 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. You have to count all the notes then add. सबका आपको total find out करना है. Then write all amount in your maths notebook and click the picture of that activity. Then submit in the WhatsApp group and send in the WhatsApp group. This activity you have to send in the WhatsApp group. जो आपका क्लास 3rd का WhatsApp ग्रुप है उसमें आपको सबमिट करना है, उसमें आपको सेंड करना है. एंड द एक्टिविटी एंड द वर्कशीट विच आई एम गिविंग टू यू, I will give to you. This you have to submit in your student homework portal. Fine. Understood everyone? So, come to our topic. We are doing money. So, here our first topic is expressing money in words and figures. In words like spelling form, you have to write the money in spelling forms, and figures like numbers form you have to write. So we can express money both in words and figures. Suppose Aman has 38 rupees and 50 paise. In words, we express this amount as rupees 38 and 50 paise. 38 rupees and 50 paise. To express this amount in figure, we make use of symbols. Fine. We use the symbol res for rupee. Thus, 10 rupees is written as rupees 10 and 1 rupee is written as rupee 1. Like this one which I show you earlier. This is 1 rupee. Okay, this is 1 rupee. You can see this is 1 rupee. Fine. And this is 10 rupee. ये आपका 10 रुपीस का नोट है और वो आपका 1 रुपी का नोट था. सो इन सिंबल फॉर्म द सिंबल ऑफ रुपी इज लाइक दिस. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द चैप्टर्स नेम हियर, देन वी विल solve the exercises or examples. So our chapter is 9, money. The symbol of rupees is like this, and if we'll write rupees 10, so rupees 10 and rest 1, this is rupees 1. or we can write it as 10 rupee. 10 rupees and here 1 rupee. Okay? Using symbols, the amount of 38 rupees and 50 paise will return as, using symbols, इस symbol को use करते हुए, if we have 38 rupees and 50 paise, we'll write this amount as rupees symbol here. This is 38 rupees. This one is rupees and 50 paise. This decimal denotes to and. Okay. Like res 38 and 50 paise. So these two amount will be rupee and this is paise. So this one is and. Okay. The dot, this dot is used for the word and. जो हम and के लिए जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं ना, 38 rupees and 50. 38 rupees and 50 paise. Fine. So as a convention, we do not write P. 1 rupee can be written as res 1. 1 rupees को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? res 1 or res 1 simply. And if we have the amount rupees 3.3 and 09 is as 3 rupees and 9 paise. If we have res 75 and 50 rupees 75 and 50 paise, so we'll write it as 75 rupees and 50 paise. Understood everyone? Amounts less than 1 rupee may be shown either with the symbol P of paise or with the symbol of rupees and the dot. Example, we write 8 paise as 8p or rupees 0.0 and 08. Okay. Like we have here 8 paise. 8 paise. So we can write 8 paise as 8p or rupees 0.08. This dot you can say and 0 and 08 paise. If we have 11p, it means we can write it as rupees 0 and 11 paise. ओके, इट मीन्स हमारे पास 0 रुपीज़ है एंड 11 पैसे हैं. 75p res 0 and 75 paise. Understood everyone? So here let's look at the exercise 9a. So here we have some questions related rupees and paise. So look at the question number 1. Write the following amounts of money in figures. Okay, we have some amount of money here. So look at the first one, A, 13 rupees. So simply we can write it as the symbol of rupees R. ओके, जो ये सिंबल बना है रुपीस का पहले हम वो लिखेंगे, देन 13 एंड ऑलवेज पुट द सिंबल ऑफ रुपीस बिफोर द नंबर, before the digit or before the number. Remember that you will always put the symbol of rupees before the number. After the number you can write rupees, rupees. Okay, so let write these questions here, then we'll solve. Fine. First we'll write question number 1. Write the following amounts of money in figures. Okay, so take some amounts of money here. This is 13 rupees and B 55 rupees and 90. It is in what form? Okay, 90 paise. Here 12 rupees and 8 paise. Next one is 80 paise. Okay, now we'll write these rupees in figure. Like this is 13 rupees, so we'll just put the symbol of rupee and after that 13. It is very easy. Now here 55 paise and 55 rupees and 90 paise. So we'll write rupees 55 and 90. Okay, here I don't have space, so that's why I have written this number down. You can write this number there only. Now next one is rupees 12 and 8 paise. So I'll write here rupees 12 and 8. Next is 80 paise. What I told you, either we can write this one is 80p, that is denoted पैसे. जो यहाँ पर सिंपल p लिखा है, it means that it is पैसे, 80 पैसे और res 0 and 80 पैसे. Okay, now this point shows and. Remember that this point shows and, or this point means we can say it and, the word and. Okay, and one more thing students, we know that 1 rupees is equal to 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, or 100 paise is equal to res 1. Means 100 paise makes 1 rupee. Fine. So look at the next question. Next question is write the following amounts of money in words. We have to write the amounts of money in words. Words form, you know words form very nicely. You have already learned this one in our first or second chapter, that is number names. Numbers up to 10,000 you know very well, and this is very easy. This is in hundreds form only, hundreds place. This is only in hundreds place. So rupees 38 and 65. paise. So we will write first is done. Second, words form. Words form. We'll look only one or two. Okay. Now here number 1 is done. So we'll look number B. This is res 50 and 8 paise. So we'll write it as 50 rupees and 8 paise. Okay, look at another one. Res 0 and 65. So we'll write it only 65 paise. Or you can write 0 rupee and 0 rupee and 65 paise. You can write in both the forms, only paise 65 paise or 0 rupee. Here 0 rupee and 65 paise. Fine, student. So some questions we have solved in our worksheet. You have to copy down these questions in your maths notebook very neatly and clean handwriting. I want your handwriting should be very neat and clean. Okay. And next one is some questions we have done in our worksheet. Some of these questions you have to done in your book. So these are only two questions parts here, some parts here. So question number 1 and 2 you have to complete in your book also. Okay, आपको ये दोनों बुक में भी करना है. दिस इज सेल्फ एक्सरसाइज और सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस और एक्सरसाइज 9A. Only 2 questions are here. Some parts here, but it's okay. You have to solve these questions in your maths book also, right? And upload the click the pictures also of your book. अपनी book की भी आपको picture click करनी है. Then upload in student portal. Fine. And don't forget to send the worksheet and this book pages and the activity you have to send in WhatsApp group. Understood, everyone? See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.